Hi guys, you are watching Next Tech. So if you're interested in freelancing or digital marketing, please subscribe my channel and like videos. So let's move on to video. So in this video, we are going to learn about a marketing tool known as MailChimp. Right, this is an email automation tool, means which is used to send more than one email. Mm, it is also a marketing tool. Means in this video we are going to learn. I'm going to give you an overview of this tool, and in the next video we are going to learn that how we can create an account on Mailchimp and how we can use it. So let's move on. Let me give you an overview of Mailchimp. So it has first option is product option. We are going to move on to product option. So first option is get your business online. So we are going to move one by one. So there is website, online store, pharmacy. So you can also buy a domain from here, right? So you can also create website if you are if you want to sell your products online. If you want to create an e-commerce store, you can also create one and using MailChimp. And the next one is market your business. So you can also create emails, landing page, digital ads, social media platform, postcards, anything you want. Means this is one of the best marketing tools you can use for digital marketing. Means if you are doing digital marketing. So and let's move on to some other options. Here is the most important option. This is known as audience management. So we are going to learn this in detail in this next video. So I'm giving you just an overview. So marketing. So in this you can also create a form. Means if you and also you can create specific target. Means if you want to target a specific audience of a specific country, you can also target it from here. You can create an email template and send it to more than one person at a time using MailChimp. And second option is creative tools. Here you can create your social media plans and also campaign templates, right? Means your email templates and any other templates you want. And marketing and automation. So this is a quite interesting tab. So first we are going to know customer journey. Means we are going to know the review about customers, right? So this is an overview of mm, the tool, right? So I hope you have liked the video. So we are going to learn this tool in detail inshallah in next video. So stay tuned for next video.